The runners away for the 2020 first leg Triple Crown Stakes race. We've got 4 Strong Wind moving up on the outside runway. Running by the rail third is General Calentong, then comes Tifosi, while Kateu is the early trailer by about 4 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, runway, the leader by about a length and a half. Running in second is 4 Strong Wind, moving up by the rail third now, General Calentong, then comes Tifosi, while Katiao still racing in last. Down the backstretch they running, and it's still runway by about half a length. Pressing up now on the outside, 4 Strong Wind to take the lead. It's now 4 Strong Wind by about a length and a half, followed by runway. Moving about the outside, third Tifosi, then comes General Calentong, and Katiao still racing in last. Inside the last 600, it's still 4 Strong Wind by about 3 lengths now, followed now by General Calentong on the outside, running by the rail, Tifosi. Then here comes Katiao now coming closer in fourth, and they are now entering the last 400. It's now General Calentong by about 2 lengths, moving up by the rail now, Katiao, and they are now entering the home stretch. 2 runners now fighting it out for the lead. General Calentong. Katiao is running by the rail second. Down the stretch they come. General Calentong. Katiao is running by the rail. Last 75 meters. General Calentong. Katiao. And finally, first leg belongs to General Calentong. Katiao, then comes Tifosi. 4 Strong Wind and runway comes in last.
Our unofficial winner for your 2020 Philracon First Leg Triple Crown Stakes race, that's entry number 2, General Calentong. Masasegundo yung 5 si Catherine Wu at ng ating pong numero 3, Tifosi para sa trifecta. Again, 2, 5, 3. Yan po ating unofficial